Hi there, this is Mangi Chaitanya Kumar and welcome back to our YouTube channel Eternal Learning. In this video, I brought you information about the skill sets to be required and acquired by the student studying in engineering. Irrespective of the stream, it could be computers, IT, electronics, civil, mechatronics, electrical or mechanical. So whatever engineering you could be in, but these skills are of utmost importance, and here you got all the information in the single video. And apart from that, I brought you a portal. In fact, it's a website which has got a lot of information. Trust me, a lot of information on skills related to employability, like interview skills, job descriptions, core competencies, technical skills, working skills, and much more. So please do watch this video till the end, else you will miss up the important details. And if this is the first time you're watching this channel, so please do subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and family so that they will also get benefit out of it. So without any further ado, let's get into the detail. The first, we'll start up with electrical engineering. The important skills you need to acquire being an electrical engineer is the critical thinking, the complex problem solving, quality control analysis, and we have the design knowledge and knowledge of practical application. So if we go into the details of this, so let me read out for you. It's about using logic and reasoning to identify the strengths and weakness of alternative solutions, conclusions, or approaches to the problem. That is about the critical thinking. And when you come to complex problem solving, it's about the identifying complex problems and reviewing related information to develop and evaluate options and implement solutions. And quality control analysis is all about conducting tests, inspections, services, or a process to evaluate quality or performance. And design, knowledge of design techniques, tools, principles involved in production, blueprints, drawings, and models, and many more. So, and about the knowledge of practical application of engineering, science, and technology, where this includes applying principles, techniques, procedures, and equipment to the design and production of various goods and services. That's all about, we got a lot of skills to be done, but these are the important skills you need to acquire minimum to be an electrical engineer. The next, we'll talk about the electronics engineering. The most important thing, the skill set you need to have in engineering is electronic engineering is you need to have the solid math skills, both applied and abstract. And also apart from that, if you have a technical writing skills, that would be an icing on the cake. And or the critical thinking skills, the basic data analysis, data mining, and the reporting depending on your job, the creative problem solving skills. So these all the important skills you need to have being an electronic engineer. And coming to the mechanical engineering, it's about you need to have a sound knowledge on engineering fundamentals, and also you should be able to read and interpret drawing and specifications. You need to analyze, you need to have analytical thinking, where you need to analyze test results and adjust designs, a lot of things like that. And you should be comfortable with writing technical reports. And above all, you should have communication, computer, and mechanical skills. And when we talk about the computer engineering or IT engineering, we have you need to have the problem solving and logical thinking. See, computers or IT is all about logical thinking. And if you talk about written and verbal communication skills, those are the must things you should have. The interpersonal skills, so that if you are leading a team, then interpersonal skills plays a vital role in that. There's a computer programming, coding, self-development skills to keep up to date with fast changing trends. We know that of late the technologies are changing very often, so we need to keep up to date with the fast changing trends. And excellent organization and time management skills those are the must things. And when we talk about the civil engineering, civil engineering is all about the decision making skills, that you need to make decision very aptly, that we need to build what and when, all these things comes into picture. And it's about the leadership skills, because you need to maintain a lot of a team, like you have architectural team, you have masons, laborers, and everything. You need to have the leadership skills to maintain them. Math skills, you need to calculate each and everything related to the diagrams, related to the drawings, and all these things. So math skills are of utmost importance. Organization skills, problem solving skills, writing skills, and drawing skills are are of also much importance. And when we talk about the mechatronics, it is the combination of mechanical and electronics engineering. Here you need to have an understanding of knowledge of design techniques and tools, grip on circuit boards, processors, chips and equipment. You should be aware of computer hardware and software apps and programming applications and programming. And you should also have a knowledge on principles involved in production of precision technical plans, blueprints, drawings and models. So hope you understand. These are the few skill sets I'm giving, because I can't give all. For that I'm giving you a portal. I'm telling you about the portal where you can go through this portal and you can learn a lot of things. So without a further ado, let's get into the portal. So but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because you are going to get a lot of a lot of videos on, because I've been making a lot of videos on employability skills, free online courses, personal development skills and many more. So please do subscribe the channels and let's get into the portal. Hey, this is the portal I was talking about. It's a UK based job portal. In fact, it's a job portal, but it has got a lot of information about the career advice, irrespective of engineering we are doing, irrespective of the stream in engineering we are doing. It could be electrical, civil, mechanical or IT. They have got a lot of information about the related to the career. So I have chosen this, and I hope you like this portal. In fact, it's a website. So without any further ado, let's get into this portal. So once you this is a homepage of target jobs. Once you click on this, so you will get this information, like you have got interview questions. So what are the important questions you'll get in interviews, interview techniques, what are the important techniques you need to have. So once you click on this, so let me take you through what are the important techniques we are going to get once we click this. So interview techniques and tips, just let me drag it down. See, what are deal with job hunters the biggest fear. If you're asked by with any a trick interview question, so how to tackle that questions. Then 8 steps to graduate interview success, last minute interview confidence, how to boost your confidence. See, there are a lot of things related to interviews. The 8th interview you'll face on your graduate job, on how to recover from a nightmare interview. There are a lot of things. Just you can explore it on your own. Body talk, what your body language should be. And also off late we are taking a lot of interviews on Zoom. Online interviews are going on. So do's and don'ts for Zoom and other online platforms you need to be careful with. So tips for graduates, how to deal with job interviews, nerves. There are a lot of things. Okay. So just you go through that one by one. So let's take through this. The next thing is the interview techniques. We have gone through this and the different types of interviews we are looking we have on this. So next we'll go through the A to Z of job roles. So we have a different job description. So why I want you to go through this is so eventually after completing engineering you will be placed somewhere. So if you know what are the important job descriptions you need to work upon, then that would be easy for you to plan and practice from now itself. Okay, so let me click on this. This is A to Z of job careers. So there are a lot of things you can choose from. So let's click on this. So we have let me take you an example here. Okay, let me take you an example. Yeah, electronic engineer. Okay, if you see what are the different things in electronic engineering you are looking for. See, electronic engineers work rapidly advancing profession that is key to the development of the world's IT. Okay, so we have seen a lot of things here, like what are the important skills you require for everything, what electronic engineers does, and on job or off job, what are the important skills you require, and what are the typical employers of electronic engineers. Like they can get into telecommunications, manufacturers or PCs, tablets or ATM machines, scientific, they can work upon scientific research, medical devices like in embedded systems and all this stuff. Then we have a manufacturing sector, PLCs, SCADA. There are many things they can work upon. So every information is given over here. Also, when you drag it down, you'll find the qualifications they require. and the training is required by an electronics engineer. And the key skills for electronic engineers, like they require the complex problem solving skills, as I've explained to you earlier in the slides. So critical thinking, strong interest in technology. So there are a lot of things you can go through. These examples of that. And one more important thing that they have is this essential workplace skills and competencies. This is of utmost importance. I would request you to go through this. Once you click on this, you have essential workplace skills and competencies. Once you click on this, you will find this. Here you can find what are the important things that you need to put on your resumes, and what are the commercial awareness. Really, what does commercial awareness means? Because see, whatever work you do, whatever job you do, eventually you look for commerciality of that. Okay, so what are the commercial awareness? What are the important things that you must know? Okay, that's been given here. See, and also related to the job, the adaptability and the flexibility. You require the skills. You should equip you for any challenge you face in the job or entrepreneurship, if you are interested in that. So analytical skills you require. So what are the important essential skills you require to be on top of your basics? Okay, commercial awareness, just as we discussed. The communication skill, which is of utmost importance. See, communication, it could be your presentation skills, it could be your interpersonal skills. So whatever it is, see, whatever technical knowledge you have, but if you could not present it, then that won't be suffice for you in your job role. So you need to improve your communication part. Creativity plays a vital role in taking you further in your jobs. Customer service. Okay, what are the basic skills that you require to tackle with the customers? And emotional intelligence, a secret ingredient for career success, because we have seen that we have been facing with stress. Whatever stream we are in, we have been facing with this stress related issues. So how to cope with the stress and how to come out of this stress, because the stress acts like a dampener in our career growth. So we need to tackle that. See, enterprise and entrepreneurial skills. Okay, also we have how to inspire others. See, if you're a team leader, what are the important skills that you require? The leadership and management, managing ambiguity, the essential skills for career progression. If you want to grow in your career, what are the important things that you require for that? See, if you drag down, you got a lot of things to be. So problem solving, managing, ability to make life easier for your boss. So yeah, this is one of the important knack you should possess to how to please your boss. Resilience, the ability to cope with the setbacks. Okay, failures, how you come up with, how you come back strongly when you face with a failure. The teamwork, time management, which is one of the important subjects. So you got lot many in this. Just go through. Once you click on more, you will get the details of it. So I hope you like this video, and also you like this website which I've shown you. Now it has got a lot of information, though it is based out of UK, but the information in this given is universal, that is global, it is applicable everywhere. So I would request you to go through this, explore this completely, thoroughly, and follow this skills and competencies for your betterment. Okay, so that's all for the video, guys, and hope you like my video. And please subscribe this channel, and also share this channel with your friends and families. And if the first time you're watching this channel, so please, as I'm requesting you, so please do subscribe, because I've been making a lot of videos on employability skills, interpersonal skills, it could communication skills, English, and also the videos about the free trainings and all this stuff. So please subscribe and keep touch in this with this channel. So thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.